kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you a recipe and ideas. I've just showing you guys how you can detox your body for the winter. You know what I mean? Very important because a lot of cold, sickness, flu and all things gonna be just going around, hanging about, want to attack. But we got the remedy for them, and when they come, we know what to do. So there's a lot more ideas gonna coming up as we goes along, but you know what I mean, detoxing the body is very important. You know what I mean, especially if you're a person who work 9 to 5. You know what I mean, sometimes you're stressed out, sometimes you know what I mean, sickness come on you. You need to fight back when they are coming. So anyway, the only way you can attack is to make yourself a nice lovely drink like this one. Lemon, ginger, cucumber and all these things, have them in your house for this winter. This winter when the cold and the flu come into attack, we have to fight back. Alright? So guys, stay tuned, and you know what I mean, we have a lot of ideas on the YouTube channel tell you how you can fight the cold and the flu when it's coming your way. Thank you so much for watching my show, and we'll see you next time. Back in the kitchen, we know we always talking about detoxing your body. Very important to my fans them and to my friends them and even to my social friend. Anyway, today we want to talk about detoxing your body. I'm always doing this kind of video. I don't know why, but I love to share this kind of video. First of all, couple slices of cucumber, put it straight inside of the water like this. And also any lemon or lime. You can use 3 slices straight in the water. And put a nice lovely fresh piece of mint in the water. Alright, then leave it in the glass for 6 hours or even 12 hours better, or overnight, and drink it in the morning first thing before you eat your breakfast, or at night before you go to your bed. So thank you so much for watching this simple recipe, simple ideas, but this is the way how you can detox your body, fight against the cold, flu and also sickness in this winter. So this is the ideas for my fans then, and remember, stay tuned, stick to the tune and dance to the tune and listen to the tune. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Got a lot more ideas and recipe similar coming your way. See you next time. Bye bye.